Has it ever happened that you just casually bumped into someone and the other person reacts to such a small thing as if you did it intentionally? They swear, push you, and they have 3 or 4 friends standing behind them with a full-on attitude. You try to talk peacefully, but that moment slips away, and now you're alone. There's a whole group in front of you. You can't fight and you can't back down. And when everyone is watching, you feel a humiliation that cuts deep. The next day in class, people make fun of you. Even the girls start to think you're weak, and you're just thinking about how you'll handle it next time. This video is for you. I'll teach you how to react smartly and in a controlled manner in a situation involving 1 to 4 people, without showing off, without overreacting. Remember, if the situation is life-threatening, running away is not cowardice, it's smart. First step, positioning and small moves. Never stand directly in front of someone. Take a slight side angle, 1 shoulder forward, 1 back. This has 2 advantages. If the person pushes you, you maintain your balance. You have room to move. Keep your hands naturally around your chest. This is called a neutral guard. If the person touches you, take a step to the side and calmly say, "Hey, can't you watch where you're going?" Keep your voice calm but firm. Second step, mindset and breathing control. Don't react, respond. In that second when someone provokes you, your reaction is what decides everything. Most people either freeze or instantly become aggressive. Both are wrong. Solution? Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Maintain eye contact. Keep your voice low and clear. Just this one step neutralizes 50% of the situation. Third step, handling multiple attackers. When a group is involved, the biggest mistake is focusing on just one person. The rule is simple. Position yourself so that only one person can reach you at a time. Move near a wall so no one can come from behind. Identify who is leading the group. Take small side steps. Move in a circular motion. This breaks their coordination. Most importantly, don't hit unless absolutely necessary. Just make them realize that you are not scared but ready. Fourth step, use the environment shift to the side of benches. They become a barrier. Choose a corner where only one side is open. Your bag can also be a shield. Take it off your shoulder and hold it in front of you. Fifth step, daily practice plan, 10 minutes. Mirror drill. Stand in a neutral guard, maintain eye contact and say, "Watch your step." Balance. Practice your stance on a line. Take left and right steps. Reaction time. Ask a friend to push you randomly and you move to the side. Breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2, exhale for 4 seconds. If you follow this plan, your reactions will automatically become calm and confident. Subscribe to the channel. Trust me, I will turn you from 0 to hero in a few months.